तो बेटा अभी हम जैसे स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी की प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में रीड कर रहे थे कि भाई स्पीड क्या होती है, वेलोसिटी क्या होती है। उसी को आगे प्रोसेस करते हुए अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप ऑफ स्पीड के बारे में। अभी आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर दो टाइप्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको स्पीड के। सो फर्स्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। फर्स्ट जो आपको स्पीड दिखाई दे रही है वो क्या है? यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। और जो सेकंड आपके पास जो स्क्रीन पे आपको दिखाई देगी वो क्या होगी? नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ए वेरिएबल स्पीड। क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड वेरिएबल स्पीड। So first we discuss about the concept that is a uniform speed. When a particle cover equal distance in equal interval of time, no matter how small the interval are, then it is said to be moving with uniform speed. It means कोई भी बॉडी आपके पास है या कोई भी आपके पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट है वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करता है इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू कंसीडर दैट इज ए मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट which travel a slot of distance that is 5 meter first distance, another further 5 meter slot, another further 5 meter slot, and so on. And each slot, yeah, we say that in each interval the time that is in first slot time that is 1 second, in another slot that is 1 second, in another slot that is 1 second, and so on. In that case, if we calculate the value of a speed, we know very well the formula of speed, that is v, the formula of speed, that is v equal to s by t. In first slot, distance travel that is a 5, time taken that is a 1. In that case, that value is 5 meter per second. In second slot, similar, in second slot that is also equal to 5 meter per second. Similar, third slot that is also equal to 5 meter per second. In during that process, the uniform speed for each interval that is 5 meter per second. That concept represent the uniform speed. तो ये किस पैरामीटर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है बेटा? आपके पास यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है। Another parameter, that is another type of speed, that is a non-uniform, that is also called a variable speed. In that case, non-uniform speed particles or object cover unequal distance in equal interval of time or vice versa. क्या तो डिस्टेंस अनइक्वल हो, टाइम इक्वल हो, या फिर डिस्टेंस इक्वल हो, टाइम अनइक्वल हो, तो इस सिचुएशन के अंदर जो स्पीड है वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड कहलाएगी। फॉर एग्जांपल, ए मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट मूव 5 मीटर इन 1 सेकेंड, 8 मीटर इन 2 सेकेंड, 10 मीटर इन 3rd सेकेंड, 4 meter in 4 second. It means in first interval of 5 meter it travel 1 second time taken, 8 meter travel में time 1 second, 10 meter में travel 1 second. तो speed calculate कीजिए। In first slot 5 meter per second, in another slot 8 meter per second, in another slot 10 meter per second, and so on. And in that case the speed is 5, 10, 4, 6, and so on. These are variables. It means that concept is representing non-uniform speed और variable speeds को represent कर रहा है। Similar यदि हम बात करें, अब बात आ जाती है कि जो वेलोसिटी आप यूज कर रहे हैं, तो वेलोसिटी के अंदर यूनिफॉर्म और नॉन यूनिफॉर्म का क्या मतलब है? क्योंकि आपको पता है स्पीड और वेलोसिटी में एक बेसिक जो डिफरेंस है वो डायरेक्शन का है। तो यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी के बारे में बात करें तो ए पार्टिकल इज सेड टू हैव यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी if magnitude as well as direction of its velocity remains same, and this is possible only when the particles move in a same straight line without reversing its direction. यदि आपके पास कोई भी बॉडी मैग्नीट्यूड में तो सेम हो, उसकी टाइम भी और डिस्टेंस भी, पर डायरेक्शन भी आपके पास सेम होनी चाहिए। यदि आपके पास डायरेक्शन वेरिएबल है, यदि आपके पास डायरेक्शन वेरिएबल है, तो उस केस में वो यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी नहीं होगा। इट मीन्स यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी की कंडीशन है बॉडी इज मूविंग इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, in that case that is the example of uniform velocity. In another, that is non-uniform velocity, that is a particle is said to be non-uniform velocity if either of magnitude or direction of velocity change or both change. क्या तो बॉडी की डायरेक्शन भी चेंज हो या फिर मैग्नीट्यूड या दोनों, ये पैरामीटर्स यदि आपके पास कंटिन्यूसली चेंज होते हैं तो वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी का एक एग्जांपल है। व्हेन ए बॉडी इज मूविंग इन ए सर्कुलर पाथ, दैट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी। और वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? आपके पास नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। तो ये आपके पास वेलोसिटी के दो जनरल टाइप है जो आपके स्क्रीन पे है। अब वेलोसिटी का जो थर्ड टाइप है हम उसके ऊपर चलते हैं। वेलोसिटी का जो थर्ड टाइप आपके पास है दैट इज कॉल्ड एवरेज वेलोसिटी, एंड वी डिस्कस अबाउट आल्सो सिमिलर एवरेज स्पीड। सो वन बाय वन हम उस पे चलते हैं। तो देखिए, नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट दैट इज एवरेज स्पीड। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द एवरेज स्पीड? The average speed of particles for a given interval of time is defined as it is the ratio of distance traveled to the time taken. It means total distance कितना travel किया और total time कितना लगा, that quantity represents the average speed. So average speed equal to total distance traveled by body or object to the total time taken by body. So V average that equal to total distance traveled by body is denoted by delta S, and time taken that is delta T. In different situation, different parameters are given to solve the numerical. That is, firstly, time average speed. Time average speed. It means, what do you mean by the time average speed? When a particles move with different uniform speed, like v1 velocity travel करता है t1 टाइम में, v2 velocity travel करता है t2 टाइम में, v3 velocity travel करता है t3 टाइम में, and so on. In that case, speed is variable as well as time interval is also variable. Speed is variable as well as time is also variable. So how to calculate the average speed in that case? We know very well total distance covered by body, total distance covered by body to the total time. So total distance covered by body is in first slot that is d1, in second slot that is d2, in third slot that is d3, and so on. Similarly, the total time in first slot time taken that is t1, in second interval t2, and third interval t3, and so on. So we substitute the value of distance. We know very well speed equal to distance upon time. So speed equal to distance upon time. So distance equal to speed into time. In first interval distance is v1 t1, in second interval v2 t2, in third interval v3, and so on. and time taken, that is t1 plus t2 plus t3 and so on. That is the general formula when a body travel in nth interval of time. But in special case, when a particles move with a speed v, when a particle move with speed v up to half time of total motion, and in rest time it is moving with speed v2. It means in that case, that formula is first time interval, that is v1, that is speed, and another time interval speed, that is v2. So average is v1 plus v2 by 2. In that case, if we say that time interval is same and variable speed, in that case we apply that formula. If you cannot find out which type of formula we substitute, so use the general method to solve the question. Another, distance average speed. In that case, if the body travel with different distance, in the above statement, different speed, but in that case different distance, that is d1, d2, d3 and so on dn, and similar different time interval with a different speed, these three parameters are variable. In that case, how do you find out the average speed? So total distance covered by body to the total time. So total distance, that is d1 plus d2 plus d3 and so on. Total time similar, that is t1 plus t2 plus t3 and so on. Further, distance is similarly, but time will be vary on the basis of according to the question statement. We know very well speed, that value will be equal to distance upon time. So time equal to distance upon speed. So we change the formula. In first interval time taken, that is d1 by v1. In second interval, d2 by v2. In third interval, d3 by v3 and so on. Similarly, in another example, when a particles move first half of distance at a speed of v1, first half distance v1, it means d1 equal to d by 2, v1 का v1 आपके पास, second half of distance with the speed v2, so d2 equal to similar d by 2. If we substitute that term in that solution, so average speed formula will be V average, that value will be equal to 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. And similarly, if the question is given in 1/3 part, we substitute d1 equal to d by 3, d2 equal to d by 3 and so on. Similarly, that formula is also developed. In this type of concept, we solve the different types of numerical for IIT and PMT competition also. And last, average velocity, that is the ratio of total displacement to the total time taken by body. We also very well difference between velocity and speed term, that is a distance and displacement. If we discuss only magnitude term, in that case that is a speed. If we discuss in magnitude as well as direction, that is velocity, and form the term, that is a displacement. तो आज का लेक्चर हम यहीं पे फिनिश करते हैं. तो ये हमारा आज का लेक्चर था. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट. टेक केयर, स्टे होम. अपना ध्यान रखें, सेफ रहें। थैंक यू। वर्मा क्लासेस, वर्मा सर, आज के क्लास यहीं ओवर करते हैं। थैंक यू बेटा आज के लिए।